Hello everyone, so how to make a lens post in Patreon app. So this is a new feature. I don't have in my app, probably because of location or something like that, but I will just walk you through this tutorial, Patreon article. So Patreon Lens is just a new content sharing feature in the Patreon mobile app, so it's only in the app. And it's basically you share videos and photos which disappear after 24 hours. So on iOS, just go to your dashboard and then tap the plus icon in bottom right as shown here on the picture, and then it will then select lens, and this will open the camera so you can begin snapping photos and recording videos. On Android, again, just go to dashboard, tap the plus icon and select lens. So then you will access the camera. You can add like something like that, text, and you can adjust the privacy level, and yeah, so this is how it looks like. So it looks quite similar, I guess, to like Instagram stories, Snapchat stories, so that's the idea they took from probably. So yeah. So for example, creators are using this to show like some project in progress, some behind of scenes videos, travelogues, some slice of life, or something like that. So just try it out, and thanks for watching.